Hi, so today we are gonna presenting about the elicitation technique for the online marks weighting system for university course. So these are our group members, me, myself, Nick Farhan, and we have Hashimah, Najibah and Murshidah. So, for introduction, this system will make it easier for lecturer to mark students' exam papers. It also ensures that auditors, moderators, and quality assurance coordinators can efficiently review and approve grades. Our goal is to enhance accuracy and transparency in the grading process. I will explain the roles and interests of the four stakeholders in our marks weighting system. First, we have the lecturer. Their roles marking all students' examination papers and selecting a representative sample of 3 students, each with the lowest average and highest marks for further evaluation by the moderator. The lecturer's interests are ensuring that grades accurately reflect student works, maintaining consistency and objectivity in marking, and completing the selection and marking process efficiently. Next, we have the auditor. The auditor reviews the selected exam papers provided by the lecturer, oversees a collections of paper, and acts as the point of contact for the moderator. After reviewing, the auditor forward the document to the moderator for further confirmation. The auditor's interests are ensuring a comprehensive review to catch any marking errors, collaborating efficiently with the moderator to maintain integrity, and ensuring the auditing process is transparent and well documented. Next, moderator checks the accuracy and clarity of the papers reviewed by auditor, oversees the auditors group to ensure correct procedures, and send the validated answer sheets to QA for final check. The moderator's interests include ensuring the highest standard in marking and review procedures, resolving inconsistency and justifying the marking procedure, and maintaining trust in the marking system through a secondary check. Finally, the quality assurance QA verify that the moderator's answer sheets meet the necessary requirement and ensure all procedure and standards are followed during the review and marking phase. The QA interests are preserving the overall reliability and integrity of the marking in inspection procedures, identifying improvement to enhance accuracy and efficiency, and ensuring confidence among all stakeholders in verification process and its results.
So next, for the requirement elicitation technique that we have chosen our prototype and questionnaire. Our target stakeholder for both technique are lecturer and moderator. Why we choose lecturer for prototype? Because of the selection process. This feature that facilitates the selection of papers for moderation by lecturers can be incorporated into prototype to increase the effectiveness of this crucial stage. The second one, because of the fair representation. This enhancing fairness can involve adding features like anonymized marking or bias detection tools that make sure grades accurately reflect students' work. Next, why we choose moderator for prototype? Because of the oversight capabilities. Tools that allow the moderators to efficiently oversee the auditor's work and ensure the review process is through the consistent are essential. And also features that streamline communication and feedback between the moderator and auditors can improve process efficiency. Next, verification tools. These adding features that help with resolving accuracy and identifying errors will improve their workflow, and the moderator needs efficient tools to verify the correctness and clarity of the paper assessed by the auditor. Next, for the questionnaire, why we choose lecturer? Because lecturer involved in grading, providing feedback, and evaluate a student progress. And because the efficiency and fairness. asking about the balance between marking efficiency and fairness and what improvement they believe could help achieve this balance, and also feedback on any existing bottlenecks in the marking process and potential solution. And for moderator, why we choose moderator for questionnaire? Because of the insight into verification. Questions can focus on the moderator's experience with current technique and gathering feedback on the effectiveness of their oversight role and how it can be enhanced. And lastly is quality and consistency. This to being aware of how well the moderator is supported by the current system in upholding the strict standards of consistency and accuracy, and also gathering ideas for improvement or new features that could better support their role. Next, I will pass to Hashima to proceed our presentation.
Seterusnya kita akan lihat kepada structure and format untuk teknik yang kita dah pilih, which is prototype and questionnaire. Okay, so apa itu prototype? Prototype is a simple visualization of the product to test the concept. Okay, kenapa grup kami pilih prototype? First, it is used to explore and validate ideas in a tangible way. Tangible way ni maksudnya macam user dapat rasa, user dapat experience benda tu on hand. Okay, yang kedua, prototype akan allow our teams to quickly test concepts, learn from feedback and iterate based on your insight. Okay, so untuk prototype, kita ada 4 jenis, which is first, low fidelity prototype, second, high fidelity prototype, yang ketiga, functional prototype, dan yang keempat, interactive prototype. Okay, so untuk grup kami akan gunakan 2 jenis prototype, which is low fidelity prototype and high fidelity prototype. Okay, so untuk prototype, kita ada 4 proses lah, which is yang pertama, concept development. Concept development ni kita akan brainstorm ideas and create low fidelity prototype. Maksudnya kat sini kita akan kumpul dulu menjana idea, macam mana kita nak buat sistem tu. Kita akan buat sketch lah, which is low fidelity prototype. Yang kedua, kita akan design and development. Okay, design and development involves refining design, adding interactive elements and testing functionality. Okay, dekat design and development phase ni, kita orang akan gunakan requirement yang dah dapat pada stakeholder tadi, yang kita akan adapt, kita orang akan letak dekat dalam kita orang punya sistem lah. Okay, yang ketiga, user testing. User testing, kita akan gather feedback from user lah, which is yang kita dah setkan prototype ni, kita akan bagi untuk user test dulu. Maksud kalau ada penambahbaikan, ada kekurangan, ada yang perlu diperbaiki, kita akan buat untuk next phase, which is iteration and refinement. Iteration and refinement, make adjustment based on feedback before finalizing the design. Okay, dekat sini, benda ni akan berlaku secara berulang. Maksudnya kita orang lepas dah set prototype, bagi user test, kalau ada kekurangan, baiki balik. Lepas tu, bagi user test balik, kalau ada kekurangan lagi, sentiasa baiki sampailah kita punya prototype tu dah menepati requirement users. Okay. Next adalah examples untuk prototype. Yang first tu adalah kita orang punya sketch, which is low fidelity prototype. Sketch yang kita orang buat untuk brainstorm macam mana sistem tu akan menjadi, macam mana sistem tu akan rupalah. Okay. Yang next tu adalah kita orang punya tools untuk kita orang create high fidelity prototype, which is Proto.io. Seterusnya kita akan lihat kepada structure and format untuk teknik questionnaire. Okay, so what is questionnaire? Questionnaire is a list of questions that circulate target audience. Okay, so apa kita orang pilih questionnaire? First, it is cheap. Maksudnya benda tu adalah murah and kita orang tak perlu menggunakan sebarang kos untuk buat questionnaire ni. Sebabnya kita orang akan buat questionnaire ni menggunakan Google Form, platform yang dah sedia ada dekat online dan disediakan secara percuma. Okay, yang kedua, can get and analyze results quickly. Maksudnya daripada input yang user masukkan dekat dalam kita punya questionnaire, benda tu kita akan dapat dengan cepat lah. Maksudnya boleh tahu dengan lebih lanjut macam mana user nak. Okay. Yang ketiga, easy scalable. Easy scalable ni maksudnya kita orang boleh memperluaskan lagi dia punya memperluaskan skala dia lah. Andai kata kita orang nak lebih besarkan lagi skala untuk kita orang bagi questionnaire ni, so benda tu senang untuk diubah. Okay, yang keempat, can use result to make accurate decision. Based on result yang user masukkan tadi, yang user jawab questionnaire kita tadi, kita akan buatlah untuk buat sistem tu seperti mana requirement yang stakeholder nak. Okay, untuk types of questionnaire ni kita ada 6 jenis, which is yang pertama open-ended questionnaire, yang kedua close-ended questionnaire, yang ketiga structured questionnaire, 4 unstructured questionnaire, yang kelima mixed questionnaire, dan yang keenam pictorial questionnaire. Jadi untuk grup kami akan gunakan dua jenis questionnaire, which is open-ended questionnaire and close-ended questionnaire. Okay, so untuk questionnaire ni macam mana kita nak design dia? Okay, untuk design questionnaire kita ada 4 step lah, which is yang pertama define goals and objective. Maksudnya cari kita punya goals and objective sebab apa kita buat questionnaire ni. So kita nak buat questionnaire ni adalah untuk dapatkan requirement daripada stakeholder. Okay, step yang kedua, use question suitable to target audience. Maksudnya soalan yang diajukan dalam questionnaire ni adalah bertepatan dengan kita punya target audience, which is our stakeholder lah. Okay, macam grup kami punya stakeholder adalah majority lecturer. So question yang kami buat mesti bertepatan dengan lecturer. Okay, yang ketiga, decide questionnaire length and order. Maksudnya sini kita decide berapa banyak soalan yang kita nak buat and order punya soalan tu. So grup kami decide untuk buat dalam 10 hingga 15 soalan lah. Yang keempat, kita akan pre-test the questionnaire. Okay, pre-test the questionnaire maksudnya lepas kita dah siap design kita punya questionnaire, kita ambil satu orang and kita try test the questionnaire. Maksudnya adakah ia menepati, adakah ia sesuai untuk kita berikan kepada orang ramai lah. Yang seterusnya adalah contoh-contoh questionnaire yang kita orang dah buat, which is open-ended question and close-ended question lah.
Now we move on to the next one, which is method of recording and documenting information. So this is how we are going to carry out the elicitation technique that we had chosen, which is prototype and the questionnaire. So for prototype, first will be prototype design. So we will be designing a clickable prototype using Proto.io. So this Proto.io is a website or an application to create a high fidelity prototype. And then we'll be organizing a demonstration session and presenting them to the stakeholders. Next, we have feedback collection. So we will be gathering feedback from the stakeholders from various aspects such as functionality, user interface design, and overall user experience. And lastly, we have documentation. We are going to document feedback received from the stakeholders in a structured format. So this documentation will be including comments, suggestions, and issues. So this is the example of feedback form, which include the overall experience, the user interface design, the issues encountered, the additional features or functionalities, the usability, or the suggestions for improving the prototype. And then we have the method for questionnaire. First will be design and distribution. We'll be develop a comprehensive questionnaire which include the user needs, functionality requirements, preferences, and other relevant areas. So there will be open-ended question and close-ended question. And those questionnaire will be distributed using Google Form to the stakeholders. And for the response collection, the collection will be based on specified time frame to ensure the stakeholders to have an ample time. And then we are going to compile them into a centralized database or a spreadsheet for easier analysis and comparison. And lastly, for documentation, we'll be analyzing them by identifying the common things such as with the themes, the preferences, the priorities among the stakeholders. So we are going to document the findings in a report which include the summarization, the highlights, and all of that. So I think that is all from us, Group 4, about the online marks vetting system for university courses and the elicitation technique that we had chosen. That is all. Thank you.